Hey, what's up guys, it's Henreeneo here with yet another unboxing video. Today we're taking a look at the new smartphone brand in the Nigerian mobile market space. It's called the Lava Z81, a new smartphone with origins from India. And if you know anything about having new smartphone brands coming into a market, it means we have more competition, and more competition always leads to better smartphone prices across board. Thanks to the team at Lava and also at Jumia Nigeria for providing me this review copy. There's also something for one lucky subscriber at the end of this video, so it will be smart to watch till the end of this video. If you're here for the first time, do hit the subscribe button to join the family, and let's take a look at the Lava Z81. The Lava Z81 comes in this really nice textured white box that's a pleasure to touch. Cutting the seals and opening the box, we have the phone on the top. Let's set this aside and take a look at the other contents of the box. Next we have the warranty card and a user manual, a film screen protector, a transparent silicone protective case, a micro USB to USB-A cable, a pair of earphones, and a 5V charging adapter. It's time to unveil the Lava Z81. The phone has got brand covering on the front and the back of the device. Peeling these off reveal a very shiny, ultra reflective surface on the back of the phone that's honestly a beauty to behold, but it's quite too reflective. You could even use this as a mirror. The copy I have here comes in sort of like a grayish blue color, and it looks quite good. This is one of the lightest phones yet I've held in a very long time. In fact, it's so light it makes the phone feel cheap. Let's run through the physical features real quick. The Lava Z81 comes with a 5.8-inch 18:9 aspect ratio 720p HD screen, a 13-megapixel front-facing camera with flash. Flipping to the back, we have a single 13-megapixel rear camera with LED flash, and a fingerprint scanner at the center of the back plate. The volume and the power buttons are to the right, and there's a 3.5mm headphone jack at the top of the device. The left flank holds a SIM tray that is a single tray containing 2 nano SIM slots and a micro SD card expansion slot. The bottom holds the micro USB port and a microphone hole. I'll run the specs of this phone on the screen. The Lava Z81 comes with Android 8.1 Oreo on board, and I wasn't immediately fond of the launcher, but as soon as I installed a custom launcher, I started getting little bits of surprises with this device. First thing I loved was the ability to change the scale of the display and also the font size. Doing this immediately gave the phone a more impressive look. I started to play around the software and realized how much I enjoyed the experience. It was smooth and works pretty well. I think the guys at Lava Mobile have pretty much optimized the software to require less resources to perform decently. The MediaTek processor and the 3 gigs of RAM provided very smooth experiences scrolling through apps and navigating the system. App switching worked quite well without stuttering, and the general experience was good given that this is a budget device. The display on the Lava Z81 is a 2.5D IPS LCD display. Its colors are well calibrated and it looks beautiful. Videos due to the panel will be capped at a resolution of 720p, but the quality from this display isn't at all bad knowing the price of this phone. And by the way, the Lava Z81 costs 53,000 naira, which translates to $150. Video viewing angles are decent, and you'll generally enjoy your movie on this device. This is partly because the device is very light, so you don't have stress with handling the phone. The cameras on the Lava Z81 are basic, and you shouldn't expect great performance from these cameras. You'd get decent shots with the 13-megapixel rear camera in well-lit environments, but most of the shots I got had little details in them. Sky shots are mostly blown out, and you'd hardly see any details in the cloud. The 13-megapixel selfie camera mostly took average photos, and these have to be prepared for. So what do I mean? If you have very steady hands and have a lot of lights, your selfies will come out looking decent, but lose a little light or have shaky hands and your image will mostly come out leaving you with grainy or blurry shots. I only got good images in very well lit environments with extra steady hands. The selfie camera also has AR stickers and they work quite well mapping my face. The beauty mode adds the bokeh feature and it's acceptable. Edge detection isn't perfect, but it's usable. Video recording on the Lava Z81 is capped at 1080p, but you can also shoot at 720 and 640p. Just do not expect optical image stabilization here. I'd like to conclude by saying kudos to Lava Mobile for taking the step to come into the Nigerian market. It's always a good thing to have new players in this market. This helps with more options for choice and will practically help in potentially reducing the costs of smartphones across board. I think the Lava Z81 is a decent smartphone. I would have preferred if it had some extra weight to it just to give that feeling of being a premium device. I would also love it if the Lava team worked on the cameras. Software can improve images a lot, so some updates to the camera will be appreciated. At the price point of 53,000 Naira, this device is swimming in the same pool as the Tecno Pouvoir 2 Pro, the Xiaomi Redmi 6A, the Infinix Hot 6X and the Yumi DG1 Pro. The Lava Z81 is available for purchase on jumia.com.ng and you can pick one up today for just 53,000 Naira. If you don't have that budget, I'll be giving away a unit of the Lava Z81 to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do is use the link in the video description to enter the giveaway. The winner will be announced on Friday the 8th of March on my social media pages. That's 3 weeks away from today, so good luck to everyone. Thanks for watching this video and thanks for being a part of this channel. If you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon so you're notified when I post new videos. Stay safe and peace.